Okay, so this is not going to work. I'm going to turn this 90 degrees so we have more room for the station area and the track that's around the station. We'll probably have to break it into two pieces and bring it over. Let's do it. Okay, now that we have this, let's finish up on that turn. Time lapse now. Wow, this turn looks really good. Now, next up we have the hill. Another time lapse, please. Wow, this is looking way better than I expected. So we have the drop, the turn, and the airtime hill now, and after that we'll have the turnaround and airtime hill next to the airtime hill, and then that'll probably be the third update. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe so then you see all the other Knex things I build, because they are always this awesome, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.